Meaning of ghat.
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 Ghat. Ghat is a Hindi word that refers to a set of steps leading down to a river or other bodies of water. It is commonly found in India, particularly along the banks of the Ganges River, and is used for various purposes such as bathing, religious ceremonies, and cremation rituals. These steps can vary in size and shape, but often consist of large stone blocks leading into the water. Ghat provides an important space for cultural and social activities, as well as a site for spiritual reflection and connection with nature.